everybody, it's Lori. Welcome to my studio. I'm glad you stopped by. I had so much fun using my blow dryer the last time that I decided I was going to do it again today. I have already flooded my canvas with my white. I thinned it down a little bit more than I had the last time, if you saw my last video, because basically a Dutch pour is supposed to be thinner paint, but my colors are just as thick as they were with the last painting, but I want to keep that same depth and the way it moved over itself. But I wanted to make it slide a little better on the base coat. So anyway, here we are. This is what we've got. So I've got some different colors, well, a little bit different colors this time. I have some nickel azo gold. So we're going to do that right here. The nickel azo is a golden color. And we're going to do transparent red from Amsterdam. You can see, if you're used to doing Dutch pours, this is thicker than Dutch pour paint for sure. It's probably almost the consistency that you would use for a bloom. So, you know, I mean, you blow around a bloom too. Anyway, I've got copper from Artist Loft. I just love the shimmer of this. And we're going to put some titanium white in there. This is Amsterdam's titanium white. And I've got Golden's Iridescent Gold. And Amsterdam Oxide Black to add some depth and also hopefully help out with the cells, because this is the Oxide Black with just the Floetrol in it. The rest of my pouring mediums and recipes are all going to be in my Dropbox. Okay, there we go. All right, let's see what we get. here's the wet results. This one took me for a ride. Oh my goodness. I was just having such an off day. It got too muddy at one point, so I wanted to put some color back into it, so I blew it out again. And then there was no negative space. I didn't like that. Put the negative space in, dribbled white paint in the wrong spot. So I dribbled white paint everywhere. And it just keeps seeming like it's getting more of the cloud-like cells as it sits. I'll get a photo of it tomorrow and post it at the end of the video here so that you can see it. It should probably be pretty well dry by then. It's the paint's not very thick on it, all the spinning that I did. So anyway, I like it. I do. I like the colors. It's vibrant, it's pretty, it's got some really cool little areas of cells. And the watercolor, like pastel colors. And then it goes into the more vibrant colors. Yeah, I do like it. We'll see though, if it gets too many cloud cells, it might all disappear. I've had that happen before. Anyway, let's hope it doesn't. Anyway, I will show you a picture of it tomorrow because I wanted to share this journey with you for sure. It was a struggle, but you just got to not give up and keep trying different things. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. And again, I'll post a picture of it tomorrow at the end of the video. Okay, take care. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you would. I really appreciate it. And thank you to all of those of you who have been subscribed and have been supporting me. I really appreciate you all very much. Love everybody. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.